This is sparkling coconut water, guys. You would think it's rosé because it's in a champagne glass, but it's water. What's up, you guys? It's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys should know, I love horror. I love glitter and pink and everything cute and fuzzy, but I also love gore and horror and scary stuff and creepy stuff. Me. So I want to share with you guys some outfit ideas for Halloween that are based off of like creepy films like Carrie and one of my current favorite horror TV shows, The Walking Dead. Like, even though they're really creepy and they're very evil and villainy, I did want to make them a little cuter so they're not as scary and girls can still look cute in the outfits, you know. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post, which you guys don't want to miss because I'm like slamming out Halloween videos like back to back to back because we literally have like 2 more weeks left. And yeah, okay, so you guys get a bonus one because I literally just thought of this one like right now, but I'm pretty sure everyone has watched the movie. I also have a list today, guys, because I have a canker sore like right at the tip of my tongue, so if I sound weird, that's why. Literally everyone has seen the movie Get Out, so I think it would be cool if you guys dressed up as like the mom, the therapist mom that like hypnotizes everyone or whatever the heck she does. She does something and they go down into their mind or whatever. You can wear normal clothes, but okay, I don't have like a teacup or anything. I'm just using my regular cup, but if you guys get a teacup at the thrift store, which should be like $3, and a spoon, and you just like walk around and just go, I can't even do the sound right. I feel like that would be such a good costume. You'll like trigger people. Like if you just stand there and just start doing this, I'm pretty sure people are gonna know what you are, or they're probably just gonna think that you're weird. I don't know. Okay, so for the outfits that I actually planned out for this video, I wanted to start off with The Shining because that is such a classic horror movie. If you guys haven't watched The Shining, it is a little hard to get through because it's so long and it kind of picks up like in the middle of the movie. But yeah, of course, because I wanted it to be cute, I picked the little twins in the dresses. Obviously, I do not have a twin, nor do I have a roommate, so I had to be a single twin. I am a twin that ate the other twin. Anyways, ideally, I mean, you can do this by yourself, but it would be great if you found someone else. Also, you guys want to find the same dress, like the same identical dress, pretty much the same identical everything. For my dress, I found this one at the thrift store and I kind of just revamped it and shortened it a little just because, you know, haha, thought twin over here. This dress was $4 and then I paired it with some socks. I got these at the 99-cent store. I want to say that these are $2. Their Halloween section is stocked, but it's depleting very quickly, so do not be those people that wait last minute because there will be nothing left. These shoes I just thrifted for like $5. Then I paired it with like these massive big hair clips. I got these at the 99-cent store. And then of course for Halloween, if you're the twins, like everyone always makes them super bloody. You can make it like not bloody if you want, but since it's Halloween, like might as well. Also, if you guys didn't see my DIY Georgie costume tutorial from last year that I posted and where people were like, oh my gosh, she's sexualizing an 8-year-old kid. If I get any comments like that down below, I'm like completely gonna ignore them because literally every single person in this world sexualizes everything. People make being a plant hot and cute. I don't know, but you know what, I'm just saying, I'm just gonna put it out there. Halloween is like the only day in the year where you could be like super hoochie and it's totally okay. Also guys, look at my cute little photo. Isn't it like cute and creepy? Called The Loved Ones, and a lot of people have not watched this movie. Okay, I will be your best friend if you guys have watched The Loved Ones. Comment down below if you guys have. It's definitely on my must-watch list because it's so good. Well, I think it's good. It's just so disturbing. So if you're into horror movies, definitely watch it. If you have a weak stomach, do not watch it because it's pretty gory and it's very disturbing. It's like one of those movies where it makes you cringe so hard and it's like so like, oh, like you want to throw up and you want to turn away, but you just can't because you need to see what happens next. It's like one of those movies. Oh, I love it so much. But anyways, the movie's about a girl who gets rejected at prom. So then she and her dad decide to throw a prom at their house, kidnap a guy, and then like do all this like crazy stuff to him. So my costume is based off of the main character and she wears a pink dress. I stole this one from my mom's closet. I actually didn't have like a dress that looked like hers. Also didn't have any pink shoes. So then I just used the same ones that I used for the Shining twins. I also made a paper crown. I just painted this one on paper and then put glitter because I'm extra and I don't think she had glitter at all, but you know, it's Alexa, so though. And of course this little bad boy, because there's like an iconic drill scene, which is like, ugh, the worst. Towards the end of the movie, she gets like a bloody nose, and I really wanted to recreate that, so I added blood like just everywhere, and yeah, that's the look. It looks like I have a mustache though, like I'm gonna be real. Dead bands, I wanted to recreate Negan because I literally had like all of his clothes already. Does anyone else have like a love-hate relationship with Negan? I literally hate him, but there's like something about him that I also like. Anyone? Just me? No? And speaking of The Walking Dead, if you guys don't watch the TV series, then you guys can also listen to it on Audible. Big thanks to Audible for partnering with me on this video. If you guys are not familiar with Audible, Audible is where you guys can listen to a bunch of audiobooks, and you can also multitask, which is perfect because I'm an extremely busy person. So for me to be listening to someone else reading me a book, that like fits in perfectly with my daily schedule. It's literally like elementary school all over again, but instead of sitting in a classroom, you're like sitting in traffic, in your car. Adult problems. I'm usually always reading about my favorite designers like Versace, but right now, since it's Halloween season, I'm so into like the thriller and the mystery and like people killing other people. Although I feel like I should be reading the Harry Potter series because that's on Audible right now, and I'm such a fake fan because I've only watched the movies. They also offer Audible Originals, which are exclusive audio titles created by celebrated storytellers from worlds as diverse as theater, journalism, literature, and more. If you start a 30-day trial, your first audiobook is completely free. Go to audible.com/thenavarose or text Navarose to 500 if you live in the US. Again, that's audible.com/NAVAROSE, or you can text NAVAROSE to 500. Go check out Audible today and start filling your brains with new books before the zombies eat your brains. That was so lame. For my basic outfit, I'm just wearing a white crop tee. I got this one on Nasty Gal. My jeans are from Eggy. This belt I thrifted a long time ago, and then recently I was like, why did I even buy this belt? I never wear it. But lo and behold, today I am actually wearing it, so there you go. This leather jacket is from Zara, and of course Negan's red scarf. You guys can leave this look open or closed. It doesn't really matter, but I wanted to leave it open. You know, I wanted to show like my crop top and my high-waisted jeans, you know, but I think Negan usually has it closed. For combat boots, I'm just using my Doc Martens. These are the platform version. And of course, it's not Negan without his baby girl, Lucille. The bat was $3 at the thrift store. This rubber fake barbed wire is from Walmart, and it was only $4. I mean, it doesn't really look like barbed wire, but it still has that look. This look was so extremely easy that I just could not do it. By the way, I'm sad that Rick is leaving The Walking Dead. I don't know how they're gonna like kill him off or anything, or if he's just gonna straight up leave, but come on, it's Rick Grimes. That's like when Michael left The Office. How are they gonna do it? Is it gonna last any much longer? Who knows? We're going to recreate a look from one of the original bad girls of horror film, my girl Carrie. If you guys haven't watched Carrie, you have to watch Carrie. It's like a horror movie classic. I didn't want to drown myself in blood like how she is, so my version of keeping it cute is just putting blood on the dress and then like putting a little blood like on my face and a little bit on my body. It's like, hi, I'm Carrie. I've just like been drowned in blood, but not really. I still look really cute. Like that's like the look that we're going for. The gown I thrifted for $2 at the thrift store. If it looks like it doesn't fit, that's because it doesn't fit. This dress is actually an extra large. It was like the only dress that was a satin gown, and it was $2. It was already like ripping and like pilling and like snagged everywhere. So for the dress, I watered down red paint, and then I put it all over the top of the dress and kind of like let it ombre down, you know what I mean? Heels, I just used rose gold heels to kind of match the gown. My tiara is from Walmart, and it was only $2, guys. And then I made a fake corsage, which is basically a bouquet of like dollar store flowers, and I glue them together, and then I added an elastic at the end. And then I also added the red watered down paint to the corsage as well, because she like bleeds like all over her whole outfit. And then that's pretty much it for Carrie's look. I mean, she doesn't really have any props except for like her hands going like this, but I did want to hold like a little candlestick thing because I'm a Riverdale fan, and if you guys are Riverdale fans too, then you guys know what scene I'm talking about. it for my like creepy horror but cute costume ideas. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up to let me know that. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys have any Halloween requests. We still got 2 weeks. Well, like 1.5 because I'm not gonna like post the day of Halloween because it's like Halloween already. Let me know if you guys want to see me recreate anything for Halloween. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. That's all, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!